Wallace, I need you to help. Can you take Mr. Camera and film? See, you're a man of many greatnesses, right?
Except that.
We just have to point and shoot. I actually don't have to, but it is heavier with this stupid thing on it. There we go. Just keep us in the telescreen and come over here. We just finished this thing, and Wallace we had to put the speaker, I guess, was put in. We had to fix the bottom. The bottom has been reinforced correctly.
Brand new wheels.
Well, we had to do the wheels as well.
Brand new?
The wheels aren't expensive.
Yes, they are.
The paint was showing through on a couple
They're
of
$7
places.
a wheel, you moron.
Well, anyway. So they re-rolled it. Yeah, come this way. But just keep us in view, baby. Look.
I ain't got the view. He's too big to
Wallace.
There's no room for me
Look,
in the view.
Wallace. Look at this. How beautiful this came up in here. All this was cleaned and scrubbed because
repainted.
Yes. Well, underneath it was repainted.
Well,
the
inside
inside
was
isn't.
repainted
Yeah,
too.
the top here. It was dreadful. That's the microphone. That's the boom. We're not getting too big. Good. We're a good size. Hey, you're good. Let me step out.
Yeah, you're a good size.
I'm a good size. We're not out of room here, Wallace. Well, we had to do some minor mechanical stuff on the pins, but all the pin mechanisms. You're whipping this thing around, Wallace.
He's a whipper.
God, the people are going to be sick with it. Anyway, we actually put a brand new one of these in. I had one brand new one, and I got a special deal on them. It was so cheap, I figured, well, we'll give them a brand. The game looks like brand new because we have the new T-molding. We have new rubbers, side rubbers. This has been polished and cleaned. New pins. And you already know that we have a new insulator up here. So when it swings up, you don't hear that clop.
I like the clop.
Clop is never good.
You had a case of the clop once, I think.
You know, Rob, just because Wallace is filming doesn't mean I can't do that. Swing, Wallace, you remember when we put this in here? This is brand new, so they can peek and peel that off. The front had to get repainted. The thing looks like it just came out of the showroom. Up front, if you bring, here, let me have Mr. Camera. I'll point out right here. Jeff makes the stickers. Now you can read what it says. You can read. You couldn't read it before. Thank you, Wallace. There we go. See, I asked Steven to do this, and that miserable cretin.
Point out that we're offering the new one grid. Extra speed on the
Well, we have the extra speed
sanding.
on this here. So this works, and you'll notice the rollovers are as smooth as silk because they've been pulled and repeened. Actually, Wallace, let's show them over here. This other one, but keep Mr. Camera straight. Now, Rob, is this coming this way, young man? This is obviously not a forte of my Wallace. I'm willing to bet you didn't even take 8mm movies for the house, did you, Wallace? All right, let me show you something. I'm going to share you a little secret. There's a ground braid that's on every shuffle alley ever made. It has caused horrific problems. Oh, the game is gulping. I always think that sounds like a gulping sound.
Okay. If you say so.
It's horrific, and it's nothing but trouble. And we take it off. That eliminates 90% of any problems you'll ever have with a shuffle alley because that's been fixed. All the switches are independent. Now, we took off each switch. We cleaned it, made sure that the fish paper that insulates the rollover from the actual electronic switch is perfect. And then the switches were cleaned carefully. So there should never be a problem. Well, at least not for a while, you know, who knows. But in a private home, I would think this will last for years. The biggest problem is one of the switches gets stuck. See how quickly they move? Come in close, Wallace. See how beautifully they move? Okay, they've been repeened here. So the side-to-side movement is almost eliminated. The biggest issue with these switches is there's clumps of the wax that gets stuck from dampness in the house where somebody spills a beer on it, and then the switch sticks down. The switch stays stuck, and then it won't start. That game's going to drive me nuts. But anyway, so that's your number one problem, is the stuck switch. And then by working the switch, breaks the sand loose. You keep it clean. We've reflowed solder. Now, that game I think just has light bulbs. This has a strip, but these connectors were reflowed. See, this one's getting a new speaker too. The speakers are not expensive, and the old ones, the cones are usually cracked, like my brother's head. I'm waiting. I fed you a great line.
That wasn't for me. That was for you, you bum.
I thought you were going to come back with something clever. Anyway. No, he's not. Anyway, Strike Zone is Williams' first of the new style shuffles. They made, well, there's only 14 shuffle alleys that are digital. The first 7 are the old style with the peg legs. Actually, the Taurus right next to it. See right here? This is a Taurus. The old-fashioned, I call it the retro look. And then there's 7 of the digital, the newer style. Oddly enough, look at the design of the head here. This part is the same size as the Shuffle In, but they put this fatter head on here that extends over the sides. I have no idea why. And by the way, this is factory. The pinball rubber keeps the wires in after you put the thing together so they don't get all screwed up. This game has interconnect plugs, which were better than the board. This has a circuit board. What happened? Oh, Rob, let me have that board. Let me show you what happens to the board when these games come in. No, yeah, hand it to me, buttercups. They do these great, I'm gonna fix this good repairs. Now, this guy actually had the audacity to get telephone wire or something. Or speaker hookup wire or something. Look at this. That's his repair. He fixed it. By the way, these resistors are for the flash lamps that this game has. So there's 4 sets of flash lamps in the head of this game that flash when you're playing the game. All these others, this is just so. Oh, it's not. Anyway, that's all part of the refurbishment. So we're still working on this. But this one's done. This is going 3 hours away. Bring Mr. Camera up. Thank you. Going 3 hours away. Now, what's going further? Wallace, walk over with me. What's going further away?
I thought you were going further away.
That's just luck.
I think it's 7 hours or 8 hours to fly to England. This game is going to